afternoon, it is Saturday afternoon, Saturday the 19th of December, and welcome to weekly vlog episode 5. And to start off my weekly vlog this week, I have scrambled egg on toast. Top of the hill. You've not been to this one before because you haven't seen that yet, which is why I thought I'd bring you this way. So Saturday afternoon I had my fill of toast and scrambled egg, and yes, decided that I would make the most of the hour or so of daylight we've got left. Come for a walk. I guess over the last week I've realised that I've turned a little lazy. Not necessarily all my fault in some ways, although I don't know if you find this, but once you've kind of got into a bit of a slump and you've been a bit lazy for a little while because you've got no time, or you're too busy, or the weather's rubbish, which is really the main reason. It's been so windy. In fact, we're still getting sort of 30-mile-an-hour winds now, but as you can probably hear. But the problem with that is, even then when it is okay, after a few days, it's very easy not to bother. So I'm having to force myself a little out and a calm in the wind for a moment. Spending the day outside with Jenny on Wednesday really reminded me how much I enjoy it. And look at this. I mean, it's all barbed wired off, but you can see the path that I've just walked along. It's actually just started to rain, which is rubbish because I discovered this is not waterproof. It's okay in a light shower, so hopefully it won't get very heavy. The cloud's quite broken. I thought I'd walk this way just because I thought I'll just have an hour. I'll walk to the top of the hill and I'll go and see the trig point. I think it's something like 86 metres above sea level. It's not exactly a high trig point, however, it is the highest point in the area. It's a lovely Lincolnshire. I mean, the sky on Wednesday when I went to Donanook was beautifully blue. This is grey and cloudy and a bit yucky really, but look at it. What an amazing sky we get in Lincolnshire. We're so lucky. It's just so nice to be outside. I wish I could do this every day. So it's important to make the most of it when I can. This is our trig point, and I think you can see that it is on the top of a flat bit, but it is on the top of a ridge. I think that's probably the best way, and you can see the sun beginning to come down. This is part of the Viking Way, a long distance walk from Hull down to Rutland, and it's on the bucket list to do the whole thing, not necessarily in one go, although I could be persuaded if someone was going to support me. This is what happens when you forget to buy the carrots and you have to run to the farm shop because it's about to close. Well, good morning and happy Christmas Eve. Yes, it is Wednesday morning. I didn't film anything for the last couple of days. Basically, I decided that if there's nothing interesting going on and I've got nothing to say, then I just don't film anything. and so that is what I've decided. Today is my first day off of the Christmas holidays. See, my hair's still wet and I am sat in the car. I'm just waiting for the car to warm up. So I had my last day at work yesterday. I went straight from work to Morrison's to do a food shop, which was so stressful, just ridiculous. I don't normally go to the supermarket, but I did it. I got just about everything I need except a few fresh bits, salad and that sort of thing, so I'll go and do that tomorrow, the local shop. I have got to buy one more Christmas present, so I'm going to go to a shop now to do that. Welcome to Wisby Nature Park, one of my favourite places for a walk. I've come with some of my family. I've got behind because I was taking a picture. It's such beautiful blue sky, lovely sunshine. What a lovely way to spend an afternoon. Happy Christmas Eve to you. I was wondering if I would get any chance to enjoy the outside, but there has been a break in the weather. The blue sky has appeared, so my hat and coat have gone on, and I'm just going for a quick walk. Different path again. Today, I think there's only going to be an hour's break in the weather. Christmas cooking is now done. The cottage pie is just cooling, ready to go in the fridge. Mince pies are done and iced. When you make mince pies, do you ice them? Because I love iced mince pies. If you've never had an iced mince pie, have one. Ice cream is freezing. I did get out for a short walk. I was out for about 40 minutes and then realised that the weather was really closing in. Got in and within about 5 minutes it was really thick hail.
Where's that key you just had?
As you can probably tell, it is late in the evening. I have had my Christmas day bath. It's been a really lovely day and in fact a really lovely week. I just want to say thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I didn't make my 50 subscribers before Christmas target, but hey, goals are there to be achieved whenever. So the 50 subscribers target's still there, but hopefully by next Christmas anyway. It's probably time to go to bed. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you've had a really, really lovely Christmas day. Mine's been a little unconventional. I am now going to have 2 days of family Christmas celebrations with the turkey and all the trimmings, and I'm very much looking forward to that. Enjoy the rest of your Christmas break, and I will see you same time next week.